Freelancing on Upwork is tough. Standing out, even tougher. That's where PouncerAI shines. Here's how it works. First, download the PouncerAI Chrome extension. It's your real-time job scout, monitoring new opportunities on Upwork as they go live. Found a job you like? Just hit Apply with PouncerAI and choose from an AI-powered template list designed to match your skills and the job requirements. PouncerAI combines the job post, your profile, and advanced AI prompts to create a tailored, persuasive cover letter that gets noticed. Got client questions? No problem. PouncerAI crafts thoughtful, job-winning responses in seconds. Want even more control? Build your own templates. Blend your personal style with AI prompts to create reusable, winning cover letter templates. No more wasted time, no more cookie-cutter applications, just a powerful tool helping you secure more gigs faster. Don't wait. Try PouncerAI for free today and see why freelancers everywhere are using it to get more work from Upwork fast.